Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be discussing the problem B of last Codeforces round, which is 8902 Div 2. So I hope everyone has gone through the problem statement and understood what the problem statement is saying. So let me briefly explain the problem statement. So here what you have been given is, you have been given two arrays. This is the first array and this is the second array. So what they are saying here is, Park is a person which is sharing some announcement, and he can share the announcement to directly to one or more residents with a cost P. So this is the cost P that has been given to us, and let's suppose this is the array 1 that has been given 2 3 2 1 1 3, and second array is given as 4 3 2 6 and 3 6, and the cost is given as 3 here. So Park is a person which is trying to announce something, and he can share this particular announcement to one or more person with this particular cost. Let's suppose the Park is sharing the announcement to this person. So the total cost used till now is 3. So in the cost 3, Park will share the announcement to this particular person. Okay, and if this person wants to share the announcement to another person's, so this is the cost that he will be using to share the announcement, and this is the number of persons to whom he can share the announcement. For example, he can take the cost 4 and share the announcement to 2 persons, and each individual persons will take the cost 4. For example, if this person is sharing the announcement to this and this, so these persons has already got the announcement, and the total cost will be taken as 4 plus 4. Now this person cannot share announcements anymore because he has reached the limit of sharing the announcement to number of persons. Okay, and let's suppose this person has already having the announcement, so this can share to another one person announcement with a cost of 6. So I hope what the problem statement is saying, it is clear to everyone. Okay, and what we have to do here is that we have to share the announcement to each and every person, all the n persons, and along with minimizing the cost. This is the cost which we have to minimize, and everyone should have the announcement. This is all about the problem statement, and let's try to understand the logic part of this problem, how we can approach this. So the one thing that is very obvious is, if the person which is having the lowest cost should share the announcement first, because it will not be optimal to take this person and share the announcement to 3 other persons using the cost 6 plus 6 plus 6. Rather than we will choose this person, because this is taking 2 cost and he is sharing the cost. He is sharing announcement to 2 persons with a cost of total will be taken as 4. So in order to solve this problem, these kind of problems, think in this way, that what is the requirement? We want everyone to have the announcement, this person, this person, this person. Let's say I'm this person and I'm trying to know the announcement. So I have how many options I have, whether I can take from this, this or Park, which will cost 3 to him in order to share the announcement to this person. So what will be the optimal way? So initially Park has to share the announcement to any one of the person, so that he can spread to other persons also. So if I'm the first person, then I have no choice except taking the announcement from Park. So I will take the announcement from Park, and it will cost 3 units. Okay, so now let's suppose this person wants to have the announcement. How many choices do this person have? Whether he can take the announcement from the Park, or he can take the announcement from this person also, because this person is also have the announcement. He will take cost 4 to share the announcement to this person. Okay, and Park will take the 3, so optimal will be taking 3. So this will take 3, and now this person is also having the announcement. Okay, and after that this person wants to have the announcement. So how many choices do this person have? Whether he can take the announcement from the Park directly, or he can take the announcement from this person or this person, because these 2 persons are also having the announcements. So this person is also costing the 3, so no matter whether he will take the announcement from Park or this person, both will be optimal. So it will cost him 3 units. Now this person wants to have the announcement. How many choices do this person have? He can take the announcement from the first 3 persons or the Park. Okay, so in this manner we will proceed to share the announcement to each and every person, and along with minimizing the cost. Fine. So for each person, we will choose the optimal one from whom we will take the announcement, whether from Park or the rest of the person who are already having the announcement. So can you think how we can do this? Just think for 2 minutes. So this is the input that has been given to us, and we have to minimize the cost. Now, is it optimal to proceed in the manner in which the array is given, or we can rearrange the array somehow so that the cost will be optimal? We have to proceed in this way, that we have to share the announcement to some persons, and if we came to the any current person, then we have choices to select from these persons. So obviously these persons should have the minimum cost to share the announcement to any other person. That will be very optimal. So the very basic idea is to sort the array on the basis of this particular thing, the cost. And first we will give the priority to the ones which are having the very low cost to share the announcement. Okay. So after sorting this array will look like 2 2, and after that what will come? 1 3, then 3 3. We are sorting on the basis of the second value. After that we will sort 2 4, then 1 6 and 3 6. And now what we will do, we will start iterating from the left hand side, and we will start sharing the announcement to each person based on the optimal cost from which we can take. For the first person, how many choices do we have? We don't have any choice except the Park, taking an announcement from Park, which will cost us 3. So we have taken the announcement from Park for the first person, and we have it has been costed us 3 units. Now we will move to the second person. We want to share the announcement to this person. How many choices do we have? We can either take the announcement from the Park directly, or we can take the announcement from this person, because this person already knows the announcement. And now it is very clear that why we are sorting on the basis of the second value, because the cost should be minimized to the persons who are already knowing the announcement. So taking announcement from Park will cost us 3, and taking announcement from this person will cost us 2. So we will take announcement from the first person. So this will cost us 2 in order to share the announcement to the second person. And now the limit will be decreased by 1 for this person, because this can share announcement to only 2 persons, and 1 person has already taken the announcement from this person. So limit will decrease by 1. Now we will move to the third person. We have to share the announcement to third person. How many choices do we have? We can either take announcement from this person, or we can directly take from Park. Now the one which is giving us the minimum cost, we will take announcement from that person. This is costing us 2, which is minimum. Now the limit has been exceeded here. Now this person can't share announcement anymore, so we have to remove this from our whatever data structure we are maintaining. Now in order to share an announcement to this person, how many choices do we have? We can either share from this or this. So each of these are costing us 3 units, so we can take from any one of them. Let's suppose I'm taking from this one. Now he can share announcement to 2 only. For this person, how many choices do we have? We are having 4 choices, out of which we will prefer to choose the one which is giving us the minimum cost. Then this person is having how many choices? Obviously we are having the minimum choice as 3. We can take either announcement from this or this, and this also. Fine. So this is the total cost in order to share announcement to each person. How much do we are having here? 3 3 9 3 3 6 9 11 13 16. 16 is the minimum cost which we will get. I hope the approach is very clear. We have already done the dry run on the given sample test case. Now just think how we can do this. Any data structure that we can use to maintain the, first of all we will sort this by taking vector pairs. This you can do already. Okay. After this you have to just think of any data structure which will maintain the minimum value on the top, or you can say on the beginning. Fine. So that we can take the minimum value from the this particular thing, and we will take announcement from this one, and if it is 0 then we will remove. Again minimum will come on the front, and we will take the announcement till the limit will reach of that particular person. And again, after the limit has been reached once, then this will also be discarded from the data structure. After this, another minimum will come. Don't you think so that map will be a very optimal choice here? Let me show you the code. After that, it will be more clear. So this is the code. First of all, I'm taking input as n and cost. Cost is the cost that will cost us to taking the announcement from park. After that, I'm taking input as vector pair, and I'm taking the second value first of all. After that, I'm taking the first value because I have to sort my given array on the basis of second value. Okay, and if you take the input as first, means the first array first and the second value as the second, so you have to use the comparator there. That will be a complicated implementation which I don't like. So here I'm just sorting the value based on the second array. Then I'm taking a map. So this is just the cost of the park which will just maintain in the map, that park can share using this particular cost this number of persons you can share the announcement. After that, I'm just simulating the process that I have discussed in the pros part. We are first of all taking the mp.begin, means the first minimum value that we want to take announcement from, and we are taking that particular cost to our answer, and we are decreasing the amount of that particular person, and then we are decreasing the limit of that person, that minimal person, by 1. And if the limit has been reached, then we are just erasing that particular thing. And here we are maintaining the values, that how many persons with that particular cost this person can share. So this was a very easy problem, I would say. In the further videos, I'll discussing the problem C as well as problem D. Thank you guys for watching this video.